Introducing the FluorChem M from Cell Biosciences, setting a new standard for effortless multiplex Western blot and gel imaging. With the FluorChem M system, transitioning your Westerns and users has never been easier. FluorChem M's intuitive workflow, touchscreen control, and fully automated optics take the complication out of imaging. No darkroom, no training, or computer required. The system's intuitive digital darkroom software makes imaging easy. Users simply select an application from the preset protocol menu and select Expose. FluorChem M's acquisition process automatically determines the optimal exposure and accurately captures the assay's entire signal range. Comparative viewing of virtual exposures eliminates the hassle of taking multiple exposures. Users can monitor acquisition's progress and access images on the FluorChem M from any networked Wi-Fi-enabled device or computer. Its unique browser-based remote interface simplifies image retrieval and is ideal for multi-lab environments. From Western blots to gel documentation, the FluorChem M's dynamic versatility is truly remarkable. Its ability to image multicolor fluorescence, white light, and UV applications makes it a standalone system that can do it all. Cell Biosciences also offers multi-fluor Western blotting kits optimized for superior performance on the FluorChem M, providing a complete quantitative solution for multiplex fluorescent Westerns. Direct fluorescent Western detection is a stable, non-enzymatic alternative to chemiluminescence and film imaging, providing superior linearity without compromising sensitivity. Greater linearity and dynamic range can be attained, resulting in superior band clarity and proportional quantitative accuracy. To learn more about Cell Biosciences' FluorChem M system and multi-fluor Western blotting kits, please visit www.cellbiosciences.com.